Hi, Mitch here with HValley Tools. Wanted to take a quick minute and introduce you to our new laser, the Wainlux JL4. It's a small, powerful, portable laser, and I also wanted to compare it to the original K6, some of the features and functionality and the differences. The original Wainlux K6 that we offer is a great unit. It's very small, it's very portable, it's all one piece, it's set up to go right out of the box. There's no setup involved, plug and play, ready to go. One of the great features about using a small laser like this is you have the ability to put it on top of objects. So you want to put your logo on something, you can drop it right on top of a finished bowl, a finished tray, a finished project. You can slide things right underneath it, laser that way. It is a small laser engraving area. It's a 3x3, so you have to take that in mind. We like to call it the logo master because it's perfect for adding your brand, your logo to any of your work pieces. You could take a finished product like this, flip it over, throw the laser on it, and you add your logo, you add your brand, you can add a personalized message. With the new JL4, we've increased the power, we've increased the speed, and we've increased the capabilities. A little bit more room in the laser engraving area. It's a 5x5.5, but the real features are it's got a 10-watt laser head. Much more powerful, much more accurate, much more capabilities. Also, with the stepper motors and the track, it allows it to move much faster. So you're going to get a more precise and a faster engrave or a cut. With the 10-watt laser, you could do more cut throughs. You see here we have some puzzles that we made. We have different cutouts of different animals, great craft objects. You can also do detailed pictures. The detail is fabulous on something like this. It really does a nice job. We did a water bottle, we did pens, we've done all sorts of different crafts, and it does a really nice job, and it's very precise. It also has the ability to add accessories. So one of the main accessories that we love is this roller, which allows you to do cylindrical objects. You can add to a pen, to a water bottle, to anything that's round. You can engrave horizontally, vertically, you can wrap it around. It's a great accessory. Another accessory that we offer is this honeycomb bed. The honeycomb bed allows you to cut through materials and it will diffuse the laser for you. It's got a steel plate underneath and will protect whatever you're burning on. So that's an important one if you're cutting through materials. Again, as a quick summary, the original K6 has a 3-watt laser head and will engrave a 3x3 area and could be placed on top of almost any object. The JL4 has a 10-watt laser head, will engrave a 5x5.5 inch area, and has the extra speed, capabilities, and accessories that we just showed you. Both are available on HValley Tools. We have great pricing on both. Please come check us out, HValleyTools.com. Thank you very much.